What a gorgeous Fort Benning day. It rained last night and this morning, like pretty bad thunderstorms. We had a tornado warning, you know, branches on the ground. We lost part of our favorite tree in the backyard, but it's all good. It's a pretty bad day, but it's a good day to go wheeling. We're gonna go check out one of our favorite wheel spots here nearby. Me and my buddy, he's got a JK. I'm gonna take the CJ out actually because, you know, the wagon doesn't have an engine. So, poor wagon's not coming out with us, but the CJ is gonna go have some fun. You know, it's not an off-roader. I don't do anything crazy with it, but just, you know, it's a Jeep. It wants to go do Jeep things. riding down the same trail. We kind of ran out of mud and sightseeing on that trail, so we headed down the street to another place we knew, and we found some more mud to play in. Huh? I'm just gonna shoot that way. Alright, y'all, that was a whole lot of fun. I enjoyed today a lot. You know, the rain, the mud make it really fun to play around in, and you know, I was only in two-wheel drive for most of the time, four-wheel drive only when I needed it, but you know, two-wheel drive rooster tails, pretty fun. That's like the typical Georgia trails we got around here. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks to everyone who just subscribed, all those subscribers. Again, we all appreciate it. We're almost to 1,600 subscribers, I think, which is a really big deal for us. So again, thank you all, and be sure to share, like, and subscribe. See ya.